Luangkao Village hariba khul asi mahausagi fajabata na thallaba khul amani. Khul asida lamlakki sa uchek, cab of bed, puwari ga sagonaraba mafam, uchek lamaidong, amadi mineral sing marang kaina fangbata nattana makru turel na fauduna cheliba khul amani. Miyoi lising amaga chahum lomna khundariba khul asida yum chaniga kunthra rom lei. Rongwai jati na khundariba ariba khul asida government employee oiba miyoi ani khakta lei. Khunja sing asi ayamana pamlo uba amadi umangi pothok sing maruoina uwa yanbana khul asida leiriba miyoi singi maruoiba sentok lambi oiri. Khunja sing asina thengnariba awaba haibasi maruoina thagnadaba isingini. Khunja sing asina khuldagi kilometer anirom chatlaga ising lauduna sijinna hauri. Nongju thagi matamda nonggi ising yoksinduna thamnaba water harvesting plan lengaki mari leinaba authorities singna paikhatpagi mami tadri. Khul asida Junior High School ama leiri adubu oza sing matik chana leitabana khul asida leiriba mahiroi sing khulgi wangwada mahi tamba chatli. Masi Right to Education Act lising ani taramanga bu khongaunabani haina khunja singna lohori.
Ekoi nongkao se yam wana pale mayam huzik ekoi nongkao asida yumlak chani kontra dum leire government gi income dasu laktre ekoi yam wana panabani jo nungsina ngasi sina ibok rani magi mingda nongkao ise government naso mayam nungsina yengbibyo
India government na ising si yengbiyo akhoi ising mafam sida akhoi na yengbi sida kilometer nipan mapan romda yanglame aduda ising mafam sidi di leire aduga pai sida awana dum leirame.
Ngasi faobada khul asida leiriba freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu gi leiramba yum Rani House amadi mahaki ningsing fura asi state amadi central government na maruoina khanbidabagum thambiri masida khunja singna thamoi sokna nungaitaba pokhauri. Rani Gaidinliu gi mafamda tawimal khangba amadi ikai khumnaba utpa oina Rani gi museum library amadi Luangkao Village asibu heritage village ama oina sengwat haningbagi apamba khunja singda leihauri.
Now we are looking forward to the government of Manipur or central government to motivate better than this. And also I hope this is the freedom fighter tombs, so she deserve better than this. And also we want to make better building than this, and also to make a park around surrounding here, so that everyone's who knows about Rani and who wants to learn Rani Gaidinliu as a freedom fighter of India, they may come and enjoy. And even there is no seat, there is no place to raise. This is the compel of the situations. So we are looking forward, and we want governments to take up this responsibility as well.